Hi, this is Kim. I'm not sure what happened with my video. Somehow the first few seconds of it didn't get recorded. So I just want to do a quick intro and just welcome you to my channel, Glitter and Sparkle by Kim. And today's video is about a 5-minute simple look using very minimal products. So this look just takes just a few minutes every day. It's just a quick look just to look natural and go out the door. So with that said, I hope you'll enjoy this video. And I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to brush this Bare Minerals all around my face, get my eyes. And this just kind of gives you a light look. And all it takes is just a little bit. Put a little bit in there. Do my neck. Okay. And that's all you need, that, just a little bit. Just enough to smooth the canvas over. So there's my Bare Minerals foundation. And the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put some conditioner on my lips before I put my lipstick on. Okay. And then the next thing that I do is I take my Pharmacy foundation, or Pharmacy blush. This is the color. And I forget the name of the color of this. Pink Lily. It's called Pink Lily. And I'm just going to take a little of this blush. And I'm going to take my blush brush. Put a little bit at the tops of my cheeks. Okay. Then I'm going to take my blending brush and I'm going to blend that in just a little bit. I don't want too much. Okay. So just bring a little color to my face, to my cheeks is all I need. And then the other thing, of course, we need to do is eyebrows, and I'm using my e.l.f. eyebrow pencil. And this end is a brush, so I'm just brushing my eyebrows into place. And as most of you know, I don't spend a lot of time on my eyebrows. So we're just going to do those real quick. Seems like no matter how much practice I get, I can't seem to get eyebrows down. Okay. Just a little bit of eyebrows, enough to frame your face. So there's that. And then I'm going to take my telescopic L'Oreal mascara. And I'm not going to curl my eyelashes today because I'm in a hurry. So I'm just going to take this mascara and put it on. And this really helps with the length. And then for volume, I add the Lash Princess by Essence to give a little bit of volume. And I do have to kind of look down because I have such hooded eyes that if I look up, this will all end up on my upper lid. And that's Essence. Then I'm going to take a little bit of that telescopic mascara and I'm going to put it a little tiny bit, just a tiny bit, on my lower lashes. So I put just a little bit on my bottom lashes. And now the right side looks like it has more than the left, so I had to put more on my left. Okay. Then the next thing I do, and then I'm going to take my Pharmacy Lip Liner 226. Then I'm going to take my Danman Poo, that's lipstick that I actually got off of Temu, which is a favorite of mine. It's really pretty. And I'm going to take this, put it on. It's a real pretty pink. Okay, and it comes in this beautiful tube. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my gloss, my lip plumper gloss. Put that over top. Okay. Okay, and then the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this Pharmacy Perfecting Powder, and I'm just going to put a little bit of this all over my face, just to lock everything in. Okay. And I do have a little bit of mascara up there, so I'll get rid of that. And then I'm just going to lock everything in with my Time Locker spray, which is a locks in your makeup. Okay. My headband made my hair a little flat right there. So anyway, just a simple, quick 5-minute look. So thank you for watching. And if you have any questions about anything, just message me or comment down below. And again, thank you for watching, and I hope you'll subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Mwah.